Hi everyone, this is Isabel and I'm back with another short tutorial. This one is on how to use Instagram on your desktop. How many times do you need to post something on Instagram but don't have your picture on your phone? This happens to me all the time, so I'm going to share how to do this on both Chrome and Firefox. I use a Mac, but I'm thinking it's the same. Let's begin with Chrome. Log into your account. Once there, right-click on Inspect. Click on Toggle Device toolbar. Choose your device. Refresh and you will see the icons you see on your phone. Click on the plus button and upload your picture. When done, don't forget to click back on the Toggle Device toolbar. Click X and then refresh. The symbols should be gone and your desktop screen is back to normal. Now let's look at Firefox. Log into Instagram, right-click on Inspect Element, click on the icon for Toggle Device toolbar, choose your device, click on Refresh, X out and you should see the icons. Now you can upload your photo. When you're done, X out and refresh your page. It should be back to normal. Not easy to remember, but when you do it several times, it should become second nature. I work from my laptop, so being able to do this is efficient. No longer do I have to send the picture to my phone. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Be safe and be nice to each other. And if you cannot be nice, then just don't be mean. Bye.